Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have a New Year's Day miracle. Why? Because it is finally January 1st, and we are blinging in the new year. Oh yeah, we are bringing sparkle and shine. We are saying goodbye to 2020 and hopefully adding cheer and bling to 2021. When Diamond Dotz heard that my January theme was blinging in the new year, they sent me this Diamond Dotz Freestyle box for me to share with my subscribers and viewers, and I wanted to open it up. But before I do, on top was this amazing Valentine's Day card, and I'm telling you, Diamond Dotz is upping their game. I remember shopping at Michael's and seeing them and being like, oh, this is cute. Look, they have partials. And now they are just exploding with these new products and their home sales, different things like that. So look at this beautiful packaging inside, how to diamond paint on the back, what you get. This is just in time for Valentine's Day. I did not show anybody this, like my husband, because maybe I want to do it and give it to him. They give you the little, it's called love balloons. And so inside here is your little key. Let's see right here. And you can run that through the sticker maker. And it's, you know, if you want to package these up. Look at these adorable stars. Oh my gosh. And these little hearts. We've got some ABs. This is like a peach AB. I've never seen that color before. Just gorgeous. This is going to be beautiful. Okay, so I had to look at that first. I'll put this away off camera. Just let's see what is in here. It's like Christmas, but on New Year's. All right, so Diamond Dotz has their blue trays, which I'm really excited to be using. Here are their little wax caddies. You get 4 of them. I do know they sell these in the store, so if you do like these wax caddies, you can get them in the stores. Here are the stylists, which is really great because I just mentioned on my channel that I was dealing with some hard arthritis pain. And so this will be nice. These are ergonomic. Let's pull these out. Okay, I'm ripping it. And Diamond Dotz has done a great job branding their items right here. But oh, that's going to be nice. And look, they've got little gems on the end. I'm going to try those out. And then here's your normal 8-piece. These are the stylists, the single placers. All right, what other goodies are in here? Okay, so this might be a giveaway. These are decorations. This might be something we give away this month. I don't know, maybe. And it's all about freestyle. So you use your own dots to put your drills on. You use your own drills. Then they sent us, this is their 5-piece AB sparkle pack. Let's see what's inside here. Grab my handy dandy slicer. I'm gonna slice this so we can open it. See what's in here. Ooh, you guys know I love green. So this is the sparkle pack. You get 5 and they're 12 grams each. So you get a yellow, a blue, a green, a red, and a white. And they tell you right on the back, white sparkle, I always mispronounce that, Aegean blue, yellow, red, and bright green. And then they have the numbers on the top. I believe anything 5,000 is like your AB collection. I went to Joann's. Okay, I have to back it up a bit. Back when I was young and I was learning how big cross stitch was, I would go down the aisle with the floss. And I would just love to look at the colors, all the DMC colors, and I would pick it out and I would make bracelets out of it, and I would pick cross stitch out of my favorite colors. And now I went to Joann's, and that's where Diamond Dots has made a home, is Joann's, and I do believe Hobby Lobby sells their kits as well. But at Joann's, they actually have these separate, and it's exactly like shopping for the dental floss, the DMC floss for cross stitch, because they're just all like all these colors, and you just want to buy every one of them. Because what is freestyle? We're going to find out in a minute, but it's taking a canvas and making it your own. And that's what we're going to do in January. We are going to take a canvas and we're going to use some of this and create our own design. Okay, so this is the primary pack. So you've got your blue, green, red, white, and black. Yep, it's just black, white, flag red, delphinium blue, and frog green. Ribbit, ribbit. And these aren't like the ABs. They're just round dots, drills. You can see in here it's got a little bit of static. That's probably from all the shipping and temperature and humidity changes. Just throw one of your little dryer sheets in there, or one of the dryer dots. I use the dots. This is the neon pack. And they also sell the packs at Joann's, and you can use a coupon, and then you get a whole bunch of them all at once. So this has neon green, yellow, pink, orange, and glow in the dark. So this is not just white, this is glow in the dark. Ooh, these colors, they may not glow in the dark, but they look like they could. Look at how beautifully bright those colors are. Like, pow, wow. I cannot wait for us to try them. What I like about freestyle, and I'm also going to be including it in any updates on my book, is it takes you to the next level. Once you get used to how to diamond paint and you get your creative juices going, then you can create whatever you want. So this is the pastel pack, which is baby pink, forget-me-not blue, purple ice, pale chartreuse green, and primrose yellow. Those are pretty. So these might be good, like Easter colors, if you want to make canvas Easter eggs and bunnies, different things like that. We will see what we do with them. Like I said, it is January 1st. The whole year is ahead of us. And we are going to have some Spartastic fun. And then they gave us a silver and gold crystal. If you can see that right there. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Love it. Can't wait. All right. Now let's see. Okay, this is their Dotz Light. Okay, so this is a light pad. Ooh, it's got their logo on it. This is going to be cute, especially for your freestyle. You're probably going to have smaller projects. How adorable is this? This is just the little tag of who inspected it. Really nice quality right here. LED drawing tracing pad. It's got the Diamond Dots logo. And let's see here. It has, let's look on the back. I think the back will tell us. It's got dimmable touch controls. Just looking to see how many. I don't see where it says how many dims. Oh, 3 levels. Okay. So we're going to use this in our journey. Oh my goodness. And then here are the canvases. So Diamond Dots has different levels of canvases, and I was seeing this when I was at Joann's, and I actually purchased one of these canvases, and I purchased several of the colors on their own. I have a video on it. So this is fabric. It's white with no adhesive. So we're gonna have to add adhesive to it, but it's a canvas. You can see that. And this is the same fabric, no adhesive. Okay, so we've got two. So in case we mess up, we've got a second one. And they sell these at Joann's, I know that. Then you've got clear film, film transparent. So this is designed, used to cover your adhesive area in between dotting sessions. So this is your protection once you have your adhesive on your fabric. And then this is a grid. So this is one probably would be what you want to first start with, because you can then sketch out what you want to do. This over here, I might need to use the light pad and actually use my pencil and sketch something out. But this has a grid and it has adhesive on it. This is what I bought. And then this is sandwich adhesive. So this is double, let's see here. All right, cut out sandwich adhesive to your designated design and shape. Peel back the white release paper. Okay, so this is adhesive, but it already has the release paper on it. So you've got your different levels. You've got the adhesive with something on top. You've got a grid with adhesive. You've got fabric without adhesive, fabric without adhesive, and then you've got a protective cover. So that's cool. And then in here, I know I have to get the adhesive from Joann's so that we can work on this. And then here you have 6-piece friendship bracelets. So the kit contains 6 bracelets and an alphabet chart and design charts. So again, you're going to use your own drills to do this. And that's kind of cool. So like here's a design chart that you can use. And if you want to do letters, they have letters, and then they have little designs you can try. And then they have these different colors that you can use. That's pretty awesome. Maybe we'll try that out with my daughter, Lydia, who's 13. Maybe she'd want to try this out, give to her friends. We will see. This might be a good put in the Easter basket kit, you know, where you're sitting there doing your big diamond dots, and then maybe your child or grandchild is next to you doing their bracelet. I'll put that in off camera. And then what are these? These are adhesive brushes. So I need to get some adhesive, and this is what you apply the adhesive to. So I'm excited about that. And then this is your printed reference card. Oh my goodness. This is amazing, guys. So this shows you all of their different colors, and so you can kind of match them up on what colors you want. And Diamond Dots has their own, instead of a DMC number, they have their own number. And so this is kind of cool to see what the different colors are. So if you're at home creating a design and then you're like, oh, I need this and this and this, then you can go pick them up at the store. Awesome. That's great. Okay, so I'm super excited to start January with you guys, exploring freestyling with Diamond Dots. I know they have some amazing things coming down the pike for us to explore as well, and I can't wait to see and try them out with you. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to put my little gift back, and I'm going to try to figure out what we're going to do in the next video when we try to freestyle with Diamond Dots. Take care, be blessed, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.